Hi friends, welcome all to Speaker Trading. Hope all are doing well. And as we expected, today market is down around 560 points. So today, as of now, US market and SGF Nifty little up, but there is no big movement around 0.020% or something. There is a little bit movement only. There is no big movement till now. And yesterday we suggested three stock, so we can just check on that. Yesterday we given Tech Mahindra, Dabur, and Tata Steel. Tech Mahindra, anyway, we told to sell around 541, and there is no entry chance. There is a big gap down happen, and Dabur also same. It's a big gap down. So there is also we don't get any chance to trade. The same Tata Steel that also happened the same thing. So today in this three stock, nothing is there is no chance for trade. Okay, and tomorrow's we can check tomorrow. Before that, just read these important notes. Okay, and tomorrow I'm just suggesting Sun Pharma. You can buy above 467 and target price is 473. And if any 5 minutes close below 463, you can take a sell entry and the target is 358. We can this one look into chart. Okay, if any 5 minutes candle close below 467, you sorry any 5 minutes candle close above 467, you can take the buy entry and the first target is 473. This one resistance is there. And if any 5 minutes candle close below 463, then we can take the sell entry and the target is 358, and this is a support. And guys, keep it in mind, only take an entry after 9:30 only. After 9:30 am only. Okay, so don't take any immediate positions. Wait for the suggested price. Okay, so before doing any trade, before taking any position whatever we are suggesting here, first do your own technical analysis, then take the buy or sell entry. Okay, next one, try to learn, and after that improve your knowledge and become an expert. So next stock I'm suggesting HCL Tech. So HCL Tech you can buy above 518 and target is 523, and you can sell below 513 and the target is 508. This we can look on chart. So guys, after 9:30, if any 5 minutes candle close above 518, we can take the entry. So target is 523. This is a resistance for that. If after that in 5 minutes candle or 50 minutes candle close above 523, then you can trail the stop loss. So in previous video also we told some price action strategy with exponential moving average. So you can just see that video also. So you'll get some idea about that. If you have any doubt, just comment on this video. On that video also you can comment, so I'll try to reply on that. Okay, so if any 5 minutes candle close below 513, we can take the sell entry and the target is 508. Okay, so always wait for the chance. Don't be greedy and calm and patience. We'll get the chance. So guys, last stock what we are suggesting, PVR you can buy above 963 and the target is 977, and you can sell below 956 and the target is 944. This we can look on chart. So guys, here I'm only providing one target only. Previous I told, right, you can trail the stop loss. If you got any buy entry, then you can, according to your strategy, you can trail the stop loss. Okay. And if any 5 minutes candle close above 963, this is a buy entry chance, and target is 977. And any 5 minutes candle close below 956, so we can take the sell entry, and target is 944. Okay. Keep it on mind, always wait for the chance, then only we will get the success. So that's it. If you have any doubt, just try to comment on this channel. Okay. And today we are not providing any bank nifty tips because there is no proper entry chance I didn't found. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Anyway, your comments just mention in the comment box. And thanks for watching. If anyone new and anyone didn't subscribe our channel, please try to subscribe and like. And you can mention your suggestion, what how to we need to improve, and you can mention the suggestion in the comment box. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.